How do you start a story? Well, as you're sitting there pondering your next masterpiece, let me tell you what you don't do. Don't start your story by drawing a sword to take on the fire-breathing dragon, rushing into a burning building to save the horses, leaping into a speedboat to escape the villains. These all might sound far more exciting than knitting with Aunt Agatha on Tuesday afternoons. But when you start your story with a blaze of action like this, one very important person gets left behind: your reader. Because your poor old reader's sitting there with all these things whizzing around, wondering, where am I? What city is this? What country is this? What place is this? What time is it? So take a tip from great writers. Start your story with where. Tell us about the village, or the country, or the field, or the boat, or the schoolroom. Wherever your story's set, tell us what you can see in your mind. Spend a whole paragraph telling us. That's right, a whole paragraph, 6 or 7 sentences. And as you do, you paint a picture that begins to grow in your imagination, just like it will grow in the imagination of your reader. And you prepare the ground wonderfully for all the things that are going to happen next. So pick up your pen and start telling us where we are.